Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming permissions and the app version so nothing blocks audio access. Once done, open Reels or Story Composer and tap the audio icon to search or browse Instagram's library. You can also select audio from a recorded video. Make sure to preview clips and drag the waveform to pick the exact start time. If you plan to reuse the sound, save it to your collection or draft. This avoids repeating setup later and speeds future edits. Now focus on syncing and mixing so audio matches visuals and intent. Use the waveform to trim and position the clip to key visual moments and apply speed controls to match tempo. This matters for lip sync or beat-driven edits. Then balance levels, lower background music, raise dialogue or voiceover, and add fades to prevent jarring starts. If layering, import a second track or record a voiceover directly. Make small volume adjustments so every element remains clear and natural. Finish by crediting the audio and writing concise captions that include any creator tags. This maintains transparency and helps discovery. Once tagged, select a cover and preview the final playback to confirm sync, captions, and accessibility features are working. If playback or posting fails, first check microphone and media permissions, then try trimming or re-encoding the audio. Sometimes a small format or length change resolves upload errors. If still stuck, remove.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.